Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be taking a quick look at the NEEWER DL300 upgraded motorized camera dolly kit. The NEEWER DL300 is designed for filmmakers and vloggers who wants to create those impressive looking and smooth scrolling videos. It has a load capacity of up to 6.6 pounds, which is about 3 kilos, and comes with a built-in rechargeable battery which can last up to 5 hours. The dolly is driven by a high precision stepping motor, giving you an ultra quiet operation of around about 30 decibels. It features 5 speed levels and comes with adjustable wheels which can be fixed at an angle of 45 to 120 degrees, and this allows for smooth linear or curved motions. The package includes a 360 ball head mount for DSLR cameras, an action camera mount, and a universal phone holder for smartphones. The NEEWER DL300 can be paired with any iOS or Android smartphone or tablets via Bluetooth, allowing you to capture some impressive looking footage for your video shorts or reels. Using the NEEWER app, you can easily remote control a dolly wirelessly via Bluetooth, and it offers 3 recording modes, including manual, live video, or time-lapse. You also get 8 spare rubber rings for the wheels and a storage case so you can carry a dolly on the go. I can't wait to see some of the footage I can get with this dolly, so let's do a quick unboxing and we'll see you in a bit. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing of the NEEWER DL300 upgraded motorized camera dolly kit. Take a look inside. Alright, first off, we have some of the accessories. We'll take a look. We have 8 of the spare rubber rings for your wheels. And then we have installation tips and guide, the warranty information, and also the instruction guide. Okay. We also have a USB-C charging cable. And we have the 360 ball head mount for mounting DSLR cameras. That's good. We also have a action camera mounting clip right here. Then we have a universal phone holder for Android phones or iOS phones, and you can do it vertically or horizontally, which is quite nice. Alright, and now we have the actual DL300 dolly. Let's take a closer look. Okay, here we have the DL300 upgraded motorized camera dolly kit, and as you can see, we have 4 buttons here, and this is the speed levels, motion forward, motion backwards, and also the power on button. And the front here we have the USB-C charging port on the 5 volts 2 amps, and this is the shutter cable connector there. Okay, you can see that you can also do 45 to 120 degree angles right here. You have 4 wheels with 2 rubber rings on each wheel. Okay, and at the back here, nothing much, just some information about the actual product itself. Alright, let's power this on. Here we go, we have 1 dot flashing and then 5 indicator LEDs for your battery level. Here we have the speed levels up to 5, and this button here for motion forward, and this one for motion backwards. And then of course, if you want to pause the motion, you just press this power button once and hold it down to power off. Okay, so let's see the actual dolly in action. Alright, so we set to speed level 1, and we just push forward, and you can see it slowly moving forward. And we can do level 2 speed, level 3, level 4, and level 5. Press the power button once to stop the motion, and press the other button, of course, give you the reverse mode. Alright, let's take a look at the 45 degree angle, and it'll be the same for 120 degrees as well. So we'll start off on this side on a level 1 speed, and then we'll push the motion forward then. Okay, and press 2 to speed it up, level 3, level 4,
and level 5. And push the power button to stop scrolling. Alright, so this was a quick unboxing of the NEEWER DL300 upgraded motorized camera dolly kit.
And there you have it. That was a quick look at the NEEWER DL300 upgraded motorized camera dolly kit. It's perfect for any filmmakers or vloggers who want to create impressive looking videos with a smooth scrolling effect. It offers some great features and you're guaranteed to get some really smooth scrolling videos, perfect for your video shorts and reels. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy this via the links in the description, and of course visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh yeah, don't forget, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.